Josh
Good.
took his dump and he's enjoying it. He's marinating in his poop. Where is it? Where is it? Nasty! We were wondering why he was so quiet and good and happy.
Yeah.
Now we know. Daddy has to take apart his, take out the battery because he got it all over the chair. And we're going to slide him to the bathroom. He's looking at Daddy. He's
all over.
looking at Daddy. He's laughing. He's all like, yeah, man. Yeah, Daddy, I feel good.
You took all over.
Say that I so shame.
So now we are getting ready to take him a bath again. Second time today. And it's only midday.
I so shame.
So he has no shame when it comes to pooping.
He made shame his face.